Are you ready, awesome people, for some watermelon inspired soap? That is what I'm doing in this video today. I'm showing you my hits and misses. I had a bunch of fun, so let's get started in making this soap. Hello and good day. I am Natasha and welcome. I am making a watermelon inspired soap. I'm so glad you're here today. And I know you're wondering, why is her soap orange? I'm gonna tell you in a few minutes, but first I want to say thank you for supporting, and let's get started into making this soap. Colors of the watermelon. Andy the Money, Radioactive Green, and Brazen Huzzy and Tickle Pink. I'm telling you, I use some kind of combination. I don't know. I even think I use a little titanium dioxide. I didn't even realize that Mad Mica's had a watermelon crush color, but that's okay because I was winging it and I think the color came close to watermelon, if I say so myself. Now, why is the batter orange? Well, guys, I used an olive oil that was infused with turmeric and didn't realize it. Turmeric is good for you, but I would have rather not use the turmeric in this case because I need my colors to kind of match the watermelon. So you see me stirring here and being a little concerned about the greens not being as green. And black seeds. So you know watermelon have seeds, right? So I wanted it to have like that watermelon seed. So I used black seeds. You're going to see my opinion on this later on. Right now, this is what I was using to give the impression of an inspired watermelon. Fragrance oil used is Lychee Red Tea by Brambleberry. No discoloration, but it accelerates in cold process soap, which probably wasn't the best choice for me. This scent is supposed to have the lychee inspired fruit scent that's popular in Vietnam and China and Thailand, and it has lychee notes that are mixed with red tea, geranium, and lily. And it's not a flowery scent or citrus scent. It's like it's very hard to describe. It is similar to like a scent you would associate with a type of fruit, but it goes well with the design. And as you see, I'm doing these circular rings to mimic the way the rings look on the watermelon. Design wise, you guys, I did not want to be literal in this watermelon soap. I just wanted to be inspired. So in other words, I wanted someone to look at the soap and it reminds them of watermelon or fruit. So that is why I'm not, being very literal with, the big seeds and things like that. I wanted to be more abstract, okay? Abstract. And here you see that I am speeding up the process because I'm noticing that the soap is starting to set up. And guys, this is real time. Like, I didn't speed up the video. This is real time. This is me on my gangster using my skills and I can't even lie straight. No, guys, obviously I sped this up because you kind of get the point of where I was going. Just circular motions. The actual watermelon part is solid with the seeds and then the circular contrasting green colors. I probably could have do good with a darker green, but I think this worked out. So here I decided, okay, this is the top of the soap. I'm going to sprinkle some seeds on it just to give it a little decoration. And yeah, I end up not liking that part later on. So let's go. 2 days later, we're unmolding it. The colors got lighter, but that is okay. I know that for next time, if I want the colors to stay more muted or darker, I know that I need to change the concentration of the mica but look at the design, you guys. I'm like really excited at this point. I can't wait to cut it. And at this point, I'm like, am I gonna cut it horizontal or vertical? So I cut it vertical, and you're gonna see like I had this beautiful zebra print green design in it, but that's not really what I was going for. So I cut it horizontal. So guys, are you ready for the cut? All right, now hold on to your juices. Wow, wow. But look, wow, look at that. Look at the design, look at the interest, look at the contrasting colors. This is beautiful. This came out better than I really thought it was gonna come out. Now I will say, guys, that next time I will not use the black seeds. I think that the black seeds are a bit too big. When you cut the soap, they kind of scrape the soap. I would try maybe poppy seeds next time, or blueberry seeds. They tend to be smaller and it'll have less of a scratching impact on it. But I still think the soap came out nice. Do you want to hear some fast facts about watermelon? Watermelon does not have any fat or cholesterol. It's high in fiber and vitamin C and vitamin A. That is interesting. Did you know that watermelon contains vitamin C, potassium, magnesium? Now you know. Did you know watermelons are 92% water and 8% sugar? Now you know. Did you know there are 1,200 varieties of watermelon? You didn't know that? Did you know that watermelon is considered both a fruit and a vegetable? Did you know that? You didn't? Now you know. Watermelons are also in the same gourd family as squash and cucumbers. That's pretty interesting. And seedless watermelon are not genetically engineered. Now, I didn't know that. I thought seedless watermelon was man-made, not natural. Well, that's interesting. And you can eat the entire watermelon. I don't know. Have any of you guys ever tried to eat the entire watermelon, including like the brine and thing? Well, anyway, these are the fun facts on watermelon. Are we learning today? Are we learning today? There's a couple of things I would do differently. You guys already know I would do the seeds differently. I like the design, so I wouldn't change the design. I might play around with the colors a little more, and I might try another fragrance that closely reminds me of watermelon. But I love the way it came out, you guys. The cleanup on this soap came out even more awesome, even though I know it looks a little rough right now. But I mean, what do you think? What do you think about the colors and the design? I mean, do you think it's abstract enough to remind you of watermelon if you saw it in a store or something? I will admit, the soap smells very nice, and the seeds acts as a natural exfoliant, which is excellent. Each bar has its own design, which makes it so unique. And look at the cleanup. These bars are fun. It was fun to do this soap. And again, you guys, I have more videos coming out. I'm sorry I took so long, but you know what? You guys are here. You're awesome for watching. Protect your energy, and I will see you on the next video. I'm so happy you were here. Bye for now.